Here's just a quick overview of Pure Dating app. So let's here's the app, and this is the app for dating, but it's not Tinder. Pure Dating app is more like for casual fun, casual dating. This is not for like long-term relationships. Maybe it can also be used for that, but the percentage of people here looking for long term is much smaller. So this is just for you to know. But this app recently is really standing high in the charts. It's growing. It's kind of nicely designed, and it's also not completely scammy, as I understand. From what I can see, at least I don't give you 100%, of course, but compared to some other dating apps, it doesn't like scam you right away, what I understand. And like, but also you need actually to upgrade to use this app. So you need, like, there is no like, you can create your account for free, but then to post in the feed you need to upgrade, which makes this app a bit more legit. But still, yeah, of course you should be careful in those kind of apps. So yeah, this is the app. You just create your account. You can stay anonymous here. No need to add like a lot of photos. You can just send them later. And the idea, you just need to send an ad here. So you just, here you have ad. You just, you can write something, and then there is 350 characters. Of course, you can write whatever you want. And then here is the idea. Then you can just add photos. If you like, you can, some people just don't add photos because it's kind of anonymous app. Like turn-ons, looking for, then you can just select category, what are you looking for. And then this is, then it's posted to the feed. You can only access this feed if you pay. So that's like a very basic feed where you just have some text and where you have photos. And then you can like, you can send message, you can send it whatever. If you upgrade, you can send some gems. If you don't like, you can hide ad, you can block from here. And then you can, in the top, you can filter out different filters. And then if someone likes you, you can just start chatting, and that's where you can send photos or whatever. And then you can also play games, so you can also play games in the app. There are incognito mode where you can just become invisible, hide your ad, browse unseen, chat, and appear offline. So you can do that. Buy chips, that's probably for gaming. I haven't played games in this app, but that's where you can do that. So even if you, after you upgrade it, and this app is not cheap, but you can upgrade only for 1 week or so. But after you upgrade it, you can still like, you need to pay for some incognito features. Also, you can become on the, you can promote your ad. And then you can just push your ad to the top of the list here. So you can just try that. But again, you need to pay for that as well. So this app can become quite expensive, but yeah, there you have it. And then that's your account. You can tap on settings. You can complain in the bottom. In the general, you can go to my account and tap in the bottom left to delete your account. So that's quite good that there is an option just to delete an account. But you can also clear chat history here. If you just start chatting, you can clear chat history. You can block people if you want. So yeah, that's like a casual dating app you can try out if you wanna. But again, it can become quite expensive. But that's just what it is.